Hey guys! Today, we're off on another food adventure. We're on the way to Chaa, a cozy buffet spot that offers unlimited food for just 400 pesos. Guys, cute kayong cat. Relax kayo siya. By the way, from the entrance, I can already feel the relaxing nature-inspired vibes. Oh my god, oh hangin kayo. Chill. Malataylan po ang vibes, guys. Tanawa kong uyab, oh. Nonchalant ka kayo na siya. Nagtuumi aning yung close, pero open na di ay. Napasala yung Japanese koi na fish. What Japanese koi ba niya? I'm not sure. Amazing to, guys. There is a Chaa, okay. Marag ikag nasa Thailand. Yung vibe. Try mo na nakatog Thailand. Just look at this place, guys. The ambience is giving cozy, elegant, and nature vibes gigayo. From the rattan chandeliers back. Then, ang ilang setup is murag na wedding, gitaw bongga kayo. Then, kami rin ang customer dire kay sayo may nakaabot. Murag VIP char. Then, tanawa ko ngayon, busy rin siya, nonchalant. Nila ilang mga fruits and vegetable kung gusto ko mag-salad lang. Then, may dessert. May tacos. Mami siya. Then, wala pa sulod. Ay, napaday. Kana may walay sulod. Kana beef spare ribs, fish fillet. Then, chicken teriyaki. Nalimot ko sa to. Nalimot po kung sa na. Then, lumpia nga murag Thailand version. Pasta potanesca, then pad thai, I think.